need a cast net. Man, what is that? Oh. Get him, man. What is that? Oh. Is that not the coolest thing ever? Oh. The first fish ever into the 5,500 gallon. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We are starting it off here at my favorite location where we've spent lots of money these last couple of days. That's an 8-inch. Why is that stuck in the middle of the tents? Hector's coming over later to do the stairs and finish up the deck area. So we're getting 4 of these right here. And then we got to get a couple more pieces of wood for certain areas that I want to kind of fill in, and I'll explain and you'll also see later on in the video. More screws. Home Depot, what are you selling, dude? What is that? These might be the worst 2x4s I've ever seen in my life. Over here might be the best.
Go swan dive.
There's one. Finally. All right, next on the list. These things blew my mind. When I saw this, Hector do these. Yep. Never knew these was a thing. 22 years, did not know that. All at once, Danny? Hey, big boy status. Let's go. It's gonna be another crazy, crazy day, Cuffaros. We are all loaded up here at Home Depot. I feel like we're here like literally every single day. But what I will do now is send you over to last night. I'm gonna send you to last night. Is that possible? Editing's such a crazy thing. Watch this.
Last night is tonight.
Yeah, watch this. Look at that storm we've got right now. My goodness, there's us right there. We are getting schwacked by all this rain tonight. 2 inches of rain. I always keep my eye on the radar, especially my mom as well. We got to get all the goats into the barn area because their enclosure floods really, really bad, and we don't want the goats to be stuck in water overnight. And then we wake up and they've been sitting in water for hours and get hoof rot. They could start drinking the rainwater that's right at their feet, and that's not the cleanest water. So I know it's dark as I usually don't film at night. We're gonna get all the goats and put them into the barn right now. We gotta get their water bowl. Which one goes first?
Say Boots.
Say Boots. Boots like comes up, he's like, pick me up, I want to go first. Oh, little baby's opening it. Honestly, we'll just put the camera away. We'll pick up the camera when we get the goats in. Just in time, we got all the goats into the enclosure, and it has officially started raining just as we did that. I'm absolutely soaked. I got wet because all the goats were wet. Enjoy yourselves in here, buddies. We'll see you in the morning. Oh, 3. So many nets. 3 nets in 1 bucket. All right, we are here at the lake. Unfortunately, it's nighttime, which I hate filming at night, but we got to get these fish. It's Vlogmas, baby. We don't have much time to wait. We need to cast net some big old tilapia. Some tilapia to start up the entire cycle of this pond. We're gonna get a bunch of fish, and honestly, this is just to test out the pond, make sure it's ready for fish, spike things up, get things started, of course. And by catching tilapia and putting them in there, we're gonna do that. So let's get cast netting and get ready for this big fish transfer coming up soon. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Good sized tilapia. Good sized one. Mia, what is that? We took Mia along for the ride tonight. Big tilapia. Ooh. Look at that tilapia. Ooh yeah. And then we also caught these 2 bluegill right here, but we can't keep these, so right back in they go. Absolutely wrecked the little baby. Now, oftentimes when you're casting, you'll get these little fish that like to get stuck in the net. They're just a little too tiny and they get stuck. The best way to get a fish out of a cast net when this does happen is try to grab here, but very, very lightly, and just shimmy them over their dorsal fin and underneath. So you'll see right here is stuck, right? Just push that net right over the dorsal fin and they come right out. No harm. Ready? Watch them swim away. And then they will swim away perfectly fine. A lot of times people like just rip the head off and I'm like, all right, you know, all right, bud. That's the easiest way to get it off without harming the fish. And if you don't care to keep the fish alive, then yeah, you can rip the head off, I guess. Look, we got a couple of them. We got another one right here. So now I'll show you the other way where you can rip their head off. No, I'm just kidding. See you, bud. Quick 15-second DIY how to cast net. Loop it around your wrist, take loops, grab the horn of the net like this, grab the middle of the net with your right hand, drop it, find your weights right here, make sure there's no tangles, put it in your mouth or shoulder, mouth. Got it right here, see how to open, and then on. Pancakes for breakfast, boy. Man, what is that?
Oh.
Get him, man. What is that? Ooh. Oh, we just loaded on another giant. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Another biggin. Another Mogan. Oh, mud minnow. Check this out. These are super cool. Those are so cool. They look like a little pike.
Wow.
It's a mud minnow.
Crazy.
That's what I've always called them growing up, at least. I don't know the scientific name, but they're cool. I think that's about it, bro. Oh, there's a little fish right there. And he went in. Trying to light around the bucket, make sure we got them all. All right. Got all the fish for the pond. I'm kind of tired.
Are you?
I've been working hard this week. Let's go. Oh, what the heck? Now I'm gonna put all these fish into the Mata Mata tank because that's where we feed them. These are really cool though. They got like a largemouth bass mouth, but it's like a bluegill mix. Is that not the coolest thing ever? We should put them in the cichlid pond.
Let's do it.
Right?
Let's do it.
We got a bunch of cool species in here.
Warmouth.
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 Yeah. It literally looks like a smallmouth bass. See, bud? Super cool. Awesome. Some more bluegills for the Mata Mata. He goes crazy at night. We never see the Mata Mata eat. But let me tell you, this big boy right here, oh, look at that. He eats, trust me. I'm gonna put you right back in your hole. Sorry there, bud. But yeah, we put a lot of fish in here a couple weeks ago. They're all gone, so we had to replenish them. Let's go put the first fish ever. The first fish ever into the 5,500 gallon. Now, of course, this doesn't exactly mean, no, it does mean, it's the first fish. What am I trying to say? Tilapia, the tester fish. It's like mice, you know? Just humans test things on mice prior to humans. Oh yeah. Check that out right there. So sick. We got both fish, and we're gonna call these the tester fish, because they are testing everything for us. They're literally testing the pond. Look at that. See you later, buddies. Fish look so good in here. There's fish in the pond! You can't forget about this guy. He's got a messed up lip. See his lips messed up? What do we name him? Comment a name down below. Name this little guy. Here you go, bud. See on the flip, look at the water flow. Do you see the water flow? See you later, buddy. Look at him over there. Oh yeah. What if we make this a giant tilapia pond? We won't even bother putting the monsters in. You thought I was for real. You're a funny guy. You know that? You're hilarious, David. Why would you ever say such a thing?
I don't know.
Look. Through the window, you could see them the whole way across the pond. Now imagine those being giant red-tailed catfish. It's coming soon.
Dude.
I can't even explain the hype I have and how happy I am to have this finally done. It's incredible. This is the best project we've ever done on the channel, and you guys are showing some love in the comments. It has been absolutely insane. My engagement is 3x what it normally is, and I appreciate you guys so much for that. I'm gonna definitely be doing more projects like this very shortly. We have a whole nother half of the side of the building to do, so be ready, subscribe. I do want to get this little bit of sawdust out of here. I would love to get that out. You can see the fish are under the drift. Of course, when I walk up here, they swim away. One of our fish are right there, and look how tiny they look. The other two tilapia are right over there, swimming in the current. Here they come. It is insane. It kind of puts it in perspective on how big this body of water really, really is when you see those two fish in my hand and then you see the pond size. All right, Danny, turn them off. Whew. All right, now is the real test for the underwater lights. Dude, this is gonna be absolutely epic. Cichlid pond off. Oh, we're going real dark. All right. Oh, I don't even know where the end of the dock is. Give me a sec. I might fall in here. I don't even know where the button is. Oh, where's white? Right here. Red looks absolutely epic. It's better in person, honestly. Whew. Oh, it's epic. Dude, the white light actually lights the pond up. Yo, what? Oh, the camera adjusted. It looks like actually in person now. That is so sick. Now imagine big catfish swimming by right here. This is just on a whole nother level, honestly. This is insane. Let my camera adjust. Maybe if I bring up, let me see if I can bring this up. Oh yeah, look at that. But we got a bunch of colors to pick from. We can pick any color we want. The white does definitely brighten it up the most. This is absolutely insane. They're completely schooling up. And they're leaving my little guy right here alone. He's just chilling in the current, doing his own thing. She doesn't like when I come up on the dock because look, there's no stairs. She can't get up. She's gonna love it up here once. What, are you sad? What, Mimi? Come here. No, don't scratch my new paint. I know. I'll have stairs there tomorrow. By the way, I'm gonna see you guys bright and early in the morning where we start these stairs because we're finishing this deck right now. So I ended up finishing a couple things last night, like tucking in the wire underneath the dock for the lights, painting our filter plumbing all white. Oh yeah, that's much better. And I finally sank that massive pain in the butt decor that would not go down for the life of me. Dude, I think this is gonna require one of you getting in. Because I think one of you need to stand on it straight on the ground and then I can go in there. Dude, that took a solid 45 minutes. What time is the car? The thing kept floating out, floating back, floating out, floating back. How long? 30 minutes. 30 minutes? Golly, dude, I'm freezing right now. We got it to sink perfectly. Like literally, it's exactly how it would sit. Took 3 cinder blocks, that giant boulder on the backside, and another small rock in the middle to sink that one piece of wood. And hopefully now it'll sit there for months like that. So it won't look too pretty yet, but it'll sit there for a while like that and then eventually be able to sink on its own. Fingers crossed, that's at least the plan. Fingers? My arch nemesis. I swear to you, I hate that piece of wood. If I wake up and that thing is out of the, if it's floating again, I'm taking gasoline to it. And now it is officially time for Hector to start building these stairs. Let's get to work. Hector! I'm done. Look at that. That's nice. Underneath the dock, we also added a 4x4 in the middle as support. So now there's a lot of support. We got all the support along the wall here, and another 4x4, and then over here, another 4x4, and then of course all the stairs support. These things aren't going anywhere. And we still have a whole entire wall to build around it right now. Oh, he's gonna do a little split right around the pond, and that wood's gonna slip in and look like this pond is just being built into the deck. The stairs are done though, and that looks amazing. That is beautiful. Wow. And now those will line all around here. One of the walls is done. This looks crazy. David, what do you think, bro? That's insane, right? That looks so good. Now imagine the wall this way and down and around. Now we're initially just gonna throw the wall up here, but there's a lot of empty storage under there. I saw some comments saying we should do a reptile enclosure under here, which is a great idea, but it's probably pretty stressful having someone walk on top of you. So I didn't want to do that. We're gonna do one over here instead. We're actually just gonna build like a little door with hinges on it eventually. Not right now, we're just gonna stick the wall up for now, and then we'll do that a different day.
All right, papi, look at this. We have to put at this 2x4. I want to leave 34-inch for the door.
Yep, so this is gonna be our door here eventually.
Yep.
So we're gonna leave this open so that when he does have time to come back, we'll just slap a door in and that's all we gotta do. This 2x4 goes in so that the hinges can stay on that. Look at that fit. Wow, that's beautiful. That'll be our door at some point down the road. We'll continue the wall right here, this way, and then down to the ground over here. So yeah, we're pretty much doing everything but the door. You guys know this project's been crazy since the very beginning, and I feel like it just keeps getting better. You're almost just like, what? Everything we get done makes it look even better. Wait till the trees come. Tree, that's gonna, I'm gonna faint.
Tony.
Woo, like butter.
Look at this. 42. ¿Cómo? 42. 42.
40, oh!
42.
I almost had something 40 something. 40, I knew something. And then obviously doses too. I would have had that, Hector, you just didn't give me time. Poquito.
¿Poquito más?
Poquito más.
Un poco más de tiempo. A little bit more time.
Whoa. All right.
Poquito.
Poquito
Más.
más
Tiempo.
tempo.
Yeah.
Tiempo.
Tiempo. Yeah. Time.
Poquito más tiempo.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a little more time. And I would have had that. And just like that, it is officially done without the door. We're gonna put a door right here. But it looks absolutely fantastic. Closed it all in, making it look 10 times better. Literally insane. It almost looks like an enclosure is right there. You did an amazing job.
Thank you very much.
And everyone has been thanking you and the boys down in the comments down below. I just wanted to let you know that we appreciate you.
We always try to do the best.
And you guys did better than the best.
Thank you.
Crazy project, and we're still not even done. We are not even close to being done, Cuffaros. We still have the trees to install and so much more. But if you listen real closely, listen, shh, ready? That's a rainforest. And it's coming from my little device down there in the corner that you don't see, so it makes you feel like you're in a rainforest, legit. This right here is the Amazon corner, and it's only gonna get better from here. I could not be happier with the outcome. Literally insane. Take a look at that now. Wow. Just absolutely insane. We got our little grow out tank right here. It literally says the Amazon grow out tank. Crazy as heck, dude. This is insane that this is in the building. Wow. I'm taking a walk around so you guys get to see every little inch of this beautiful masterpiece here. And by the way, our fish are hiding inside the wood. You can see his tail right there. He's inside the wood right there. We got so much done in today's video, and I thank you so much for watching, because at the end of the day, these projects are not possible without you. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe down below, smash that like button, check out the merch, top link in the description, and I will see you right back here with another banger tomorrow. Peace.
You understand? You can say fantástico,
Yeah.
amazing, fantástico,
Yeah.
muy bien, chingón.
Chingón.
O chingón.
Chingón is like, that's...
Yeah, you're the best. Esto quedó
quedó
chingón.
chingón. Esto quedó chingón.
Esto quedó chingón.
Thank you, sir. You built this, man.
Me and the guys, Tony and Eric, my team.
His team.
Yeah.
Shout out to them. And it's just the beginning, right?
Yep.
We got another one already planned for that side. Woohoo!